Hello guys, Asian Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. I just want to start this video saying that Asrock GPUs have been actually surprising me a lot recently. The first Asrock GPU that I tested was the OC formula, but that's the high end of Asrock, so I was like, okay, this GPU has very good quality, but it's high end. It's the best they got, so it's normal that it has quality. But now they actually sent, by the way, thanks Asrock for sending the card, they actually sent the RX 6750 XT, and it is the Phantom Gaming version, okay? And the Phantom Gaming is kind of their mid-tier because they have lots of them. They have the OC formula, they have the Tai Chi, the Tai Chi, and then they have the Phantom Gaming. And the Phantom Gaming, once again, is the mid-tier. And it has things that I've seen only on Asrock so far, things like the LED off or on. So we have a physical button to enable or disable the LEDs on the card, and that's a big turn on for me. And they also sent me this, so this amazing motherboard. Look at this packaging, insane. The B650E Tai Chi. Look at this. You even have the exposition here. It's just insane if you ask me. It looks amazing. So if you want me to unbox the motherboard as well, do a video for you, just let me know in the comment section. So once again, thanks Asrock for sending the card and for sending the motherboard. And of course, a big thanks to today's sponsor as well.
Today's sponsor is Maximum Settings, a cloud-based gaming service where you won't need to spend thousands of dollars to upgrade your PC or a personal nuclear plant to boot up your system.
Just do it!
And for as low as 9.95 Canadian dollars a month, you can play the most recent games on your computer even if your hardware isn't prepared. And if you don't play that much, well, you can just use the hourly system for as little as 0.35 Canadian dollars. Sign up today for your full Linux gaming PC with no resource sharing and start enjoying high-level gaming on any PC.
So now on the unboxing part, let's start with the front part saying Asrock, as you know, once again Asrock Phantom Gaming, which is the model OC edition, aimed at 1440p Quad HD, 12GB memory, PCI Express 4 and the Polychrome Sync technology, which is basically the synchronization technology of the RGB on the Asrock brand. 550 million gamers play on AMD Radeon. Nice. Then we have the AMD RDNA 2 architecture as usual and the AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT, which is one of the cards that I didn't have. As for the side, we have the usual Asrock Phantom Gaming and the 6750 XT. On the other side it is the same with the barcodes and so on. Okay, nothing different per se. On the top, on the top, once again, Phantom Gaming, Asrock 6750 XT, nothing new. And on the bottom, it is basically the same, saying only Asrock and Phantom Gaming. As for the back, we have the specifications once again. So GPU, the 6750 XT, memory 12GB, 192-bit bus, interface 3 display ports, 1.4 with HDMI 2.1 and VRR. We have once again the X12, Fidelity FX Super Resolution, and all those technologies, hardware ray tracing and blah blah blah, 7nm, FreeSync and so on. As for this, we have interesting, fast, mysterious, unbeatable. Okay, and we do have some of the some pictures of the cooling system, the cooling solution. In this case, the Phantom Gaming 3X, 3 fans and so on. The back, the side, once again, the reinforced metal frame enhances the structure to prevent the PCB from being bent, so and basically an anti-sag technology. We also have the 0 dB silent cooling, which is normal nowadays, and LED on and off switch. One of the things that I like the most on Asrock GPUs, at least the ones that I tested so far, like the OC formula 6950 XT, is that we can actually enable or disable the LEDs with a physical button instead of just using software, and I definitely love that. Let's open the case. On the inside we do have a normal black cardboard saying only Asrock, which for me it's more than enough. It doesn't need more. I do not like the usual cardboard with nothing there, the usual, well, cardboard color cardboard. I do like the black cardboard, sorry. It isn't necessary, but it definitely looks better than the Sapphire offers, okay? Although the Sapphire GPUs are very good, but well, their casing solutions, not casing, but their packaging solutions look very bad. Okay, Asrock manual, the quick installation guide, as usual. Then we have the protection foam, and then we do have the GPU. I don't know if we have something more, let me just see. It seems that's it. Yeah, it seems that's it. So basically, that's what we got. As for the card itself, it looks good. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it would look worse in real life because I saw some pictures, and although the part of the fans looked quite nice, the backplate looked kind of, well, kind of unstylish for me, kind of strange. And in real life it actually looks better than on the pictures. It does look better in real life, and I'm kind of surprised actually. I am. Damn, it looks good. On the back part, it actually looks better than I thought. Once again, it feels sturdy. The plastic is well done. The plastic and the metal frames are well done. Damn, I'm impressed by Asrock. The last GPU that I actually tested from Asrock was the OC formula, and that GPU cooling solution was amazing, and this one seems to be very good as well. I'm really impressed with Asrock GPUs so far. We do have the kind of the anti-sag solution here. It does add some structure to the frame, definitely, so it is here. The front part looks very good, saying Phantom Gaming, and this part actually lights up, I believe. We do have two power connections, once again, two 8-pin power connection, and we do have the LED on and off here. I don't know if you can see it, but it is there, so LED on and off, you can enable or disable the LEDs with the physical button, something that I really love. On the back plate we also have some cuts here for better cooling, sorry, not air cooling, I mean it's air cooling, but damn, it's hard to record right in the morning, right after waking up, it's not easy. As for the GPU die, we also have a cut like the Sapphire GPUs and some other brands that actually enables better cooling as well. As for the side, we do have a thick heat dissipator. Yeah, it works very nice. The cables here, and we do have 5 heat pipes. I do believe 5 heat pipes there. On the front, it just looks great. I'm not gonna lie, it just looks great. I love the style of this card, and it will look even better once it is on the computer. Definitely looks great, no doubts. Here as well, so I mean, on the front it's the usual front, and on the back we do have the back plate saying Phantom Gaming, which is a nice touch. Sorry about there. And on the back we do have once again DisplayPort, and HDMI. So 3 display ports here and 1 HDMI. So comparing this model to the normal 6700 XT, so this card hits up a bit. The normal 6700 XT looks great. It looks like the Team Rocket card, but it does look great. I do like this design of the 6000 series much better than I like the 7000 series one, and it looks great. But in comparison to the Asrock model, as you can see, it is smaller. So in terms of length, it is smaller, and not only smaller in terms of length, but also in terms of width. Sorry about that, let me just put one close to the other. So as you see, in terms of width, the normal and reference model is quite thinner as well. So the Asrock model is larger and is also features more length, okay? Sorry about that, the camera focus. Once again, the same two 8x pin connections. The reference model actually has 8 pins plus 6 pins, but once again, this is the 6700 XT and not the 6750 XT. The 6750 XT consumes a bit more power, and we do have this bracket here, the anti-sag bracket, which is also a very nice touch. Yeah, let's see how it looks inside the build. And well guys, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. Leave a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about the motherboard. If it looks great, the motherboard, not the motherboard. Let me know what you think about the GPU, if it looks great or not. In my opinion, it looks very, very good. It just looks insane, and like I told you in the video, it looks better. It looks better in real life than what you can see in the video, because the video will never be equal, okay? It looks much better in real life, as you can see. So once again, the bracket for the stability of the PCB, it looks much better in real life than it does in the video. So if you are eager to buy an Asrock GPU, just do it, because they look great, they perform great. Temperatures are also nice, the same for the OC Formula 6950 XT, the same for this one, Phantom Gaming. I mean, these cards are very good quality, they are very well priced. I mean, there's no reason to not buy these cards if you are looking at several models, like for example the Sapphire Pulse and so on. There's no reason to not buy a Phantom Gaming, okay? They perform well, they look great, and they are affordable. Once again, thanks Asrock for sending the card and the motherboard. And well guys, see you in the next video, most likely a comparison, or maybe if new drivers come out, most likely the driver reviews. See you in the next one.